sound of your amen, I announce, let it be blocked. Oh my God, oh my God, my Yakodo Balasha. If your amen wants to hear me, it is blocked. It is blocked. Cancer blocked. Evil arrows blocked. Rejection blocked. Disappointment blocked. Evil covering blocked. Evil report blocked. 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 Obituary blocked. Evil pattern blocked. Demonic oppression blocked. Blocked by the Lord. Blocked. 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 Let your amen turn. Let your amen rise. By the glory of the Lord. Let there be multiple victories. Let there be multiple evidence. Right now. Right now. I announce a new day has begun. A new day has begun. Right now. Right now. Right now. Glory for manifestation. Let it rest upon you. Glory for the new. Let it rest upon you. Glory for a breaking forth. Let it rest upon you. Glory for alignment. Let it rest upon you. Glory for visibility. Let it rest upon you. Glory for impact. Let it rest upon you. Glory for exploit. Let it rest upon you. Right now. Right now. Glory for perfection. Let it rest upon you. Right now. 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 Let your amen turn down. Let your amen rise. Lift up your two and shout glory. Shout fire. Shout power. Thunder glory. Fire. Power. So today I declare things will never remain the same again. Glory. Glory. Fire. Power. Today I announce things will never remain the same again. Glory, fire, power.